Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning how to split a username and a password into two different files. So I have a file here called sampleemails.txt. In this file, what you'll see, are you serious? Okay, this file, what's basically here. Oh, let me just put my video down. Okay, what's basically here is that we have Avner123 as a username, and the password is 1234567. So these numbers, all these numbers over here that you can see beside these letters, are the passwords. And beside that is the username. We want to split the username and password into two different files. So how are we going to do that? First, how are we going to extract the username and the password? After we did the file one that read lines here, all we have to do is for in results. Yeah, for in result, what's gonna basically happen is what we're gonna do here. I is gonna print all the values of our thing, like the username and the password. So what we're gonna do here is this. So okay, my bad. So we're gonna create a thing list username uh password. What next? Okay. For in result username comma password, because we need to split both of them. I dot split. We need to split them by using the comma, right? Then all we have to do now is username. So here's gonna be 1. So you won't get, because this is just a variable. So don't get confused. These are two different variables, and these are the list. Username dot append username 1 password dot append password 1. Okay. And after that's done, basically, oh my bad, we got our list. So print username, comma, password. Okay, now I'll just move my camera. So, as you can see here, it's printing our username, which is here, and the password in a list. This /n means, by the way, it's just making the lines. Okay, so this is what that's gonna do. Okay? Now, what's next is this first file one dot close. Okay, now all we have to do is to make a new file, which we already have, which is username and password, right? Which is username. Okay, let's delete this and where's password? We'll delete password too. Done. So we'll have nothing. Data, we don't need it. Okay, back to 20. Now file 2, same thing. same path, but we'll just put it in. What was it? It was called data handling because that was the path. It was in downloads, wasn't it? I think so. Data handling. This was the folder, I believe. Let's just check it right now. Oh, downloads. Okay, it must be somewhere. Will probably be coming in 6 to 7 minutes or seconds. Will be coming. It's taking a long time today. It should come. Wait. No, we have nothing here. All we have is 8. Okay. Wait. Oh, there's the folder. So that's always put an I there, my bad. And we'll put this because we have to put it in write mode since we have to add the username. For I in username. Because if we just add the username, it's a list. We can't add a list into a file. Basically. For I in username, what we're gonna do here now is let's still check. No. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add I. It's that simple. So we're gonna add the I. So file right. I right. It's called. Oh, why is it called file not one? We'll say file. Files all right. I wait. Let's see if that's still. Nope, it's not. Okay. Files all right. And I think. Oh yeah. Then. Oh, you don't need that. File dot close. Okay, that's the same thing for G. For this file. Call file 1. Oh wait. This is not supposed to be here. Data handling. What was it called? Username.txt. So same as here. And I mean password. My bad. Password. Okay. And then we have that. That's gonna be J. Okay. And this would be file 2. So now we just run it. Okay, well, what is data handling? Let me check. Let me check the path. Okay, let's copy this path. Let's go back to Donnie. Where is it? Here it is. So here too. And it has to go. Yeah, so that goes there too. Okay, that's finished. Now if we go, okay, we have we have the username right there, but we want to like have like a line, but make it do it line by line, right? So we'll have to use string formatting /n.org /n. Okay, everything is good. Here's the file. Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is. What did I do? So here we got our username. Okay. Password. Right. Let's see what I did for. Oh, oopsies. That's why I wasn't working. What? Reopen file. See? So why is it printing one space after the line? Because it already has a /n. So there's no need to put that /n there. Now, if we just run it again, works. Our username is here. Our password is here. And this is a real life concept. This is actually important because this is for security purposes. Let's say if you just have a username and a password in one file, the hacker, when they find that file, they're gonna get all your information from there, right? Your username, your password, all that stuff. But if you split these things into each file, right? The hacker, it's like he has to go through this many files, plus he won't know which file, like username, oh, he won't know what file your username is in or what your password is in. Because those files, because those the username is in one file and password is in another file, basically. So that's what it does. So thank everyone for listening to my video. I hope you like it and